What is up, I'm watching the Noodles channel, and in this video I will show you how you can download and install VirtualBox in Windows 11. So before starting video, if you are new to this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon for my latest videos. So to download VirtualBox, first of all you just need to go to Chrome browser. So just open Chrome browser and download VirtualBox. After that we will install VirtualBox in Windows 11. So now as you're watching, VirtualBox is installed in our PC. So that's all for this video. Hope you like this video, and if you like this video, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the like button. Thank you for watching.